We are in Amalfi, Italy. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So I arrived at Rome a day before and stayed for the night, and next day early morning took a train to Salerno. So this is the day one and we are in the train right now. We are going to Salerno from Roma Termini. We're going to reach around 12 and वहाँ से फिर then we have a ferry at 1 to Minori. Minori is where we are staying for the first day. It's generally more economical to stay in Minori if you want to go around the Amalfi coast. So वहाँ पे freshen up होके अच्छे से तैयार वैयार होके we will then go to Amalfi city and maybe Positano. Let's see. So we have reached Salerno. So actually yesterday I arrived in Rome and after that we went out for just dinner etc. उसके clips मैं अभी attach कर देती हूँ. So we have ordered fungi pizza, roasted potatoes and red sauce pasta. Then we went to this place for the gelato, and this was like the authentic spot. Here we got the authentic gelato, and they had so many options, so many flavors. Lovely, thank you. So I took tiramisu and Ferrero Rocher, and it was really good. We are here now in Salerno, and now we're going to take a ferry. So this is the inside of the boat. You have two seating options. You can either sit outside, on top of the boat, or inside. It was very sunny, so we chose to sit inside and occasionally come outside to see the views. And on the way there were like mini stops, and the view, oh my god, each stop had its own unique view, and it was a great ride. Guys, reached Minori. Oh my god, the view, the water and the boat ride was so out of this world. अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं हमारे hotel and we can actually see the hotel from here and it has a very nice view. I'm very excited. So let's go there, let's freshen up. I'll show you the room and everything. And yeah, it's 2 p.m. हमारा check-in भी 2 p.m. ही था. So we are on time. एंड चलो चलते हैं. अभी बहुत ही ज़्यादा मज़ा आ रहा है, बहुत ही मस्त वाइब है इटली की. लकीली टुडे द वेदर इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी नाइस, सो we've just gotten lucky. We're climbing टूटे फूटे stairs. So as you enter the hotel, it had the most amazing views, and this is a mini room tour. Look at the balcony. This is the whole long balcony and the view. So guys, I am all ready. Okay, so plan for Italy's trip is that abhi we are going to go to Amalfi because Amalfi is basically a coast, but then there are like small spots in the coast. So we are living in Minori. Now we're going to Amalfi. It's like 14-minute bus ride, but you can also take the boat, you can also take a Vespa, whatever you prefer. So today and tomorrow it's all about Amalfi coast. Then after that we're going to Naples to have the authentic margherita pizza because it was invented there. And then we're gonna return to Rome and then 2 days Rome. That is the Italy itinerary. Guys, 14 minutes का ride 30 minutes में आए हम because it was एक तो इतना पतला सा रास्ता है ऊपर पहाड़ में, so it was मतलब बहुत traffic हो जाता है दोनों साइड से आके क्योंकि गाड़ियाँ. बट दिस इज़ द बस, दिस इज़ द सीटा सूट बस जहाँ पे चलती है. यू हैव टू टेक द टिकट लाइक बस स्टॉप पे. ड्राइवर नहीं देता टिकट. बट एनी वे वी हैव रीच्ड अमाल्फी. Literally everyone is having the lemon sorbet here. Gelato तो सबके हाथ में है. So I went to this shop and यहाँ पे ये लोग like free samples दे रहे हैं. So ये लोग ने मुझे lemon cello दे, which is a very famous drink here. And it's so bitter, so bitter. In this Amalfi's market, you know, यहाँ पे mostly below €5 card payment accept नहीं करते. So if you guys want to take like little souvenirs etc. तो it's best कि आप cash अपने साथ carry करें. मैंने आई थिंक €40 कैश निकाला था एंड इट हैज़ कम वेरी हैंडी टिल नाउ. वी गॉट द बस एंड नाउ वी आर गोइंग बैक टू मिनोरी. द प्लान इज़ टू गो देयर एंड सी द सनसेट एंड मे बी ग्रैब सम डिनर नियर बाय. This time while coming back we came like in 15 minutes. The way was clear, that's why. Change of outfits. बाहर थोड़ी ठंडी पड़ जाएगी अभी. So now we are going to grab some dinner. And हम लोग ये आसपास ही मिनोरी के कोस्ट लाइन पे ही कुछ ऑथेंटिक इटालियन फूड खाते हैं. So we went to this restaurant and the staff was really sweet. They really helped us select what we should be eating. Then we ordered broccoli salad, pizza and pesto sauce pasta. Guys, see green lemons on a random plant. We have had 2 tiramisus in the trip so far and both of them have disappointed. I don't know, देखते हैं कि मतलब इससे बेटर तो तिरामिसू हमने लंदन में खाया था. So I don't know, I like the coffee flavor but maybe we have been to some tourist places. I don't know, that's why itna अच्छा नहीं था. But there is a spot in Rome that we saw online, so maybe we'll try there. Let's see वो कैसा होता है. It's next morning and we are here for the breakfast with the amazing view. Hi guys, it's day 2. We have checked out. कल हम एक्चुअली बहुत ही लेट पहुँचे अमाल्फी 4 बजे. तो हम और कोई भी स्पॉट कवर नहीं कर पाए. बट today we are going, we only went to Amalfi yesterday. So today we are going to go to a very nice blue cave and Positano. And then फिर शाम को early we'll go to Naples. Naples में हमारा stay है for today. And yeah, that's the plan. So we have taken a boat to, I'll put here what it is called. Weather is like very hot in the day and रात को ठंडा हो जाता है. I was having cough रात को and अभी सुबह it feels too hot to even have a hot drink. It's showing 21 degrees but it feels like 26 degrees. So we had some luggage, but luggage you cannot bring in the boat. But you can bring backpacks, but we had like a cabin bag. So we dropped it here in Amalfi city. So you can buy the ticket of this boat online or at the port, and once you arrive at this location you have to stand in a queue and then buy another ticket for the entrance, and the boat would wait for you. So as soon as the tour would be finished, it would take everyone back together.
First of all, we can start with the call. This is the sunlight. Actually, now we are on the deepest point of the entire cave, 10 meters. But look under the water and you can see the sea floor, composed only by white sand. This is the special meeting between stalactites and stalagmites, like an eternal kiss, we can say. But look it with your imagination and a little bit of limoncello, 5 bottles. You can saw a romantic cave, signori miei, yeah? But why? Because, look, here. Very slowly, you can see the shape of a heart. Stalagmite, it's incredible. Another creation of our nature. Roberto, looky! There's that big diamond for you.
So we have come back to Amalfi. Our boat is at 3:45. तो तब तक यहाँ पे हमें टाइम पास करना है. The red sauce pasta here is really good. Okay, so they have given like complimentary breads. Eating in Amalfi is like too expensive. So we have reached Positano. We took like a big cruise kind of a boat. It took us 15 minutes from Amalfi to Positano. Look at the size of this lemon. So now we have taken a boat from Positano to Napoli via Capri, because यहाँ पे last जो boat थी that was like 5 o'clock and हम लोग पहुँचे ही I think 4 o'clock, so 1 घंटा घूमे and then now we are going to Naples now. Positano is definitely more beautiful than Amalfi because यहाँ पे बहुत सारे घर है basically ऊपर, restaurants and वो गलियाँ etc.